Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually link up your TikTok account with your Discord account so they're both connected. Now, the first step that you want to take is actually open up your Discord application. Now, from here, we sign into our existing account and we go to the bottom left corner where our user settings appear. Now, inside the user settings, there's a load of options to choose from, but we're going to the connections. Now, inside the connections, there's already a list of applications to choose from, as you can see right here, but we're going to the TikTok icon. Now simply press the TikTok icon and what will happen, it will open up a pop-up screen, as you can see right here. Now here you can safely sign into your TikTok account, and from here on out it will automatically link it towards your Discord account and you can use the both simultaneously. Now, if you still got any other questions or if this tutorial's helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And thanks for watching.